Welcome to the Elder Law Question and Answer series sponsored by McGinty and Belcher Attorneys. My name is Michael Rose. I'm an elder law attorney serving in Salem, Keizer, and the surrounding community. And I'm here today with Lucy Morgan from Moving Made Easy. Lucy specializes in moving seniors. And we just want to really welcome Lucy today, and thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity to talk about the process of moving.
Absolutely. We're glad you're here. So I want to know, what would you say the big difference is between moving a senior and moving just any regular family?
My first response would be possibly attitude and the size of the move. The seniors are faced with a right sizing for where they are and for their new location that they're moving to, and the need to possibly not move with them some of the treasured items that they hold dear.
I imagine that can be really difficult.
It is very difficult, understandably so.
And I think that that's what makes Lucy so special, is that she's able to help people to understand what they can take with them and what they'll have to leave behind. So we're grateful for you in that regard, Lucy.
Well, we do try to advise them of what will fit into the new location, what won't. And sometimes they take our advice and sometimes they don't.
Okay. So what are the most common first questions that your clients ask you about the relocating process?
Where on earth do I start? What do I do first, second, and third, and fourth?
Okay. So walk us through the typical move then. What are the usual steps in the moving process?
Well, I would suggest that you think about who's going to do what. If you're moving from a home of long standing, family, friends going to do the packing, or are you going to hire it done by a professional mover? Build a team of folks. If you're selling your home, you've got your realtor, you've got your moving company, you've got, if you're going into a retirement community, you've got the representative of the retirement community. Your estate sale folks, your liquidator. Talk to these folks. They're on your side. They want to help you make this process as easy as possible, and it doesn't have to be stressful. Get them talking. Also, another important thing is get your date set. Doesn't have to be in stone, but if you've got mid-December, mid-July, let your moving company know approximately, because the calendars do have a way of getting filled up.
And I imagine that's really important too with the community that the person might be moving into, if it's a community, because they're always kind of in flux with people coming and going. So you want to make sure that you've got that date down, that everybody knows what that date is, so that everything happens really smoothly.
That's right.
Okay.
That's right.
Well, are there any other special considerations, anything from your experience that people really need to think about when considering moving potentially a parent or a grandparent?
Work with your grandparent or your parent in the selecting of a retirement community or an assisted living community. The location is really important. If you've always lived in the north part of town, in your home of long standing, you may want to stay in the north end. If you've always lived out south, your connections are out south. So, and go visit them, have dinners there, have lunches there, visit during activity times and see, do the activities match the style of the person who will be moving there? Does it feel right?
Excellent. Lucy, thank you so much for joining us today.
I have so much more to say about moving.
Well, let's have you back again soon,
All
and
right.
let's talk more about it.
Because there are some serious things to consider, the packing, the whole packing process, etc. So I would love to come back at another time.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
Thank you.